So today we're going to be making some Cameroon donuts, and for this recipe I'm going to be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be using 4 eggs as well, a cup of milk, half cup of melted butter, and yeah, just probably a teaspoon of nutmeg. Well, if you're a fan of the smell of nutmeg, you can go with one tablespoon, but I just put a little bit just to lessen its scent. I don't want much of it in my donut. And underneath there I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and right here we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and right here I have 1/4 cup of sugar. Again, if you want your donut to be sweet, you can go ahead and add more sugar, probably like 3/4 cup of sugar. That will make it really sweet. I just want it very mildly sweet, so that's why I'm using just 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my dry ingredients together first. And so for this, move this out of the way. So I'm gonna put in my nutmeg, salt, oh, I forgot, I'm gonna be using this vanilla sugar just to enhance the flavor some more. And then I'm gonna add my baking powder here. And the sugar, I'm gonna mix that with the wet ingredients. So for now, I'm just gonna mix my dry ingredients. It's a very easy and fast recipe to do. Actually, the most work will be during frying, because you have to make little balls, but that's about it. It's a very easy mixture to do. Maybe it takes about 15 minutes to get done with. So there's that. We're gonna keep our dry mixture on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my 1 cup of milk. And then put in my sugar. And then I'm gonna put in the melted butter. So all of my ingredients are at room temperature. If you have, I don't have lemon at home, but if you have a fresh lemon at home, you can just like grate the back of it, probably like of a whole lemon, and put that in there. I actually prefer that to my vanilla and my nutmeg flavor, because the lemon gives it an amazing smell, aroma. So yeah, if you have that, definitely, or rather you use that than the vanilla sugar. So we're going to mix. I think that should do it. And then we're going to bring in our dry mixture. I'm just gonna make a hole in the middle. That's just for easy mixing. I'm gonna put all of that in there. So we're going to be mixing until we get like pastry consistency. And while you're mixing, I'm gonna let you know if I add more water or milk. If you don't have milk at home, you can still use water, it's fine. Okay, so at this point, you just need some arm muscle. So we're gonna put it in there and mix. So from the look of it, it's still a little bit, it's very thick for me. Given that I want a fluffy dough, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of milk. So we're gonna add 1/4 cup of milk and mix. Okay, so that's the consistency I'm kind of looking for. Simply just do this. Always with my hands, just so it's easy to get to make like a shape in there. You don't want to bring so much oil. Okay, you can see what's going on there anymore. Just be careful so you don't scatter the dough you just put. So there we have the final product. It's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. That's when it's hot, and then when it cools down, it's also soft on the inside. Alright, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video and see